Here's how to swap a face in any video or photo. In video, preview a quick start example, upload a clip, or open history. Drag in a video with one clear main subject. For clips over 15 seconds, choose full video or trim. Full video processes shorter sections and joins them. Choose trim. Drag the left handle to set the start, then drag the right handle to set the end. The source video provides the performance, scene, and original audio. The target avatar provides the new face. Choose one of your avatars, upload a new one, or browse the public library. For a cleaner match, use clear faces with similar angles and lighting, and avoid blur, masks, or foreground objects. Check the live credit estimate. Then click Generate. VisionStory keeps the source motion, body, clothing, background, and camera movement, then swaps the main subject's face. When it's ready, open the result from recent tasks.
Dari satu foto, saya membuat presenter digital.
Next, switch to image. Upload the photo you want to keep. Open target image. Choose the replacement face from an avatar. The photo keeps its composition and lighting, only the face changes. Check the live cost. Then, click Generate. The result appears here. Download it or go back to try another pairing. Today, we swapped a face in both video and photo while preserving the source scene. Use only media you're authorized to edit. Then try Face Swap in VisionStory.